Photosynthesis and Plant Respiration by Decroly Education Center. Photosynthesis and Respiration. Green plants make food by a chemical process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process of capturing and transforming the energy of sunlight into chemical energy. Plants use carbon dioxide and water to make glucose and release oxygen. Respiration, on the other hand, is a chemical process in which food is oxidized in an organism to produce energy for cell activities. Chemistry of photosynthesis. Green plants capture the energy of sunlight and transform it into chemical energy. This chemical process of capturing and transforming the energy of sunlight into chemical energy is called photosynthesis. This is the mechanism through which plants manufacture their own food by using water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight absorbed by chlorophyll. Through osmosis, water is absorbed from the soil and transported to the green leaves where photosynthesis takes place. The most abundant and important photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere diffuses into the leaf directly. It absorbs sunlight as a source of energy for the mechanism of photosynthesis to succeed. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts, which are found mainly in the leaves. The mechanism of photosynthesis is in two stages: light reaction, or Calvin reaction, and dark reaction. Light reaction. During daytime, plants absorb sunlight using chlorophyll. In the leaf, light energy is converted into chemical energy. It is this chemical energy which is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. This reaction is reversible. It is during this reaction that oxygen is produced. The reaction is light-controlled. It is sometimes called Calvin reaction because it was discovered by Melvin Calvin, 1911 to 1997. Dark reaction. In the second reaction, the hydrogen from water chemically combines with carbon dioxide to form glucose. The process is long. This reaction is enzyme-controlled and not light-controlled. This is the reason why it is called dark reaction. The chemical equation is as written next. Factors necessary for photosynthesis: light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, availability of water, light and chlorophyll. Sugar and oxygen are the products of this chemical reaction. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Respiration is the process by which living cells produce energy from the combination of foods, such as glucose, with oxygen. The oxygen is released as a waste product. The sugar is used in three ways: converted into starch and transported to other parts of the plant. In some plants it is stored in tubers or stems as food. Converted into cellulose for the cell walls. Used by the plant for its own respiration to provide energy for other processes. In addition, plants use glucose molecules made from photosynthesis as a starting point for making other more complex substances which are passed on in the food chain when plants are eaten by animals. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Respiration involves a complicated chain of chemical breakdown of food to release energy. The energy produced is used for many chemical reactions in the living cell. There are two types of respiration: aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration involves the use of oxygen in the breakdown of glucose. Anaerobic respiration does not use oxygen. Here we will look at aerobic respiration in plants. Plants use glucose molecules made from photosynthesis as starting point for making other more complex substances. Respiration takes place in the cytoplasm and mitochondria while photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration. In respiration, glucose and oxygen are used to produce carbon dioxide and water and release energy. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, water, and energy are used to produce glucose and to release oxygen. Cellular respiration releases chemical energy while photosynthesis captures light energy. The chemical equation for cellular respiration is C6H12O6 plus 602 plus 6H20 plus energy, ADP. The word equation is from the equation above, it is clear that for respiration to take place, food and oxygen must be taken in and reacts together. Importance of photosynthesis. The sun is the main source of energy on which all creation depends. However, it is only plants, autotrophs, that can utilize this energy. When plants are eaten, energy is transferred to other forms. All heterotrophs depend on plants for energy. Even when dead remains of plants decay, energy is never lost but changed into another form, which is nutrients in the soil. In conclusion, we would say that all animals depend on photosynthesis to live, as they depend on plants. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover. See you later.